Hey guys, so I'm just about to head off now. I'm going for what's the best lighting for here for dinner with my coworkers. I'm really excited about it. We're going to Bar One, and I'm going to get a vegan burger, and I just cannot wait. Like, I actually cannot contain my excitement. But I'll just quickly show you like what I'm wearing, because this is something I do now. So I'm wearing my new fur coat. I'm wearing this like really like cool like black and white striped kind of jumper. I really love it. So that's my top half, and then my bottom half is just like black jeans. Oh my god, I just knocked myself, and this Chelsea boots. And that is it, just like that. And I'm running late and I can't find my camera bag, so I won't be bringing my camera with me, so it'll be staying here. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I was out for dinner last night and I had such an amazing time. Like, Bar One do amazing food. I got a vegan burger and it was delicious. But now it's around 4 o'clock. I was editing all this morning because you know what, I'm not missing another week of putting 2 videos up. I can't do that to you guys anymore. Like, it's not fair and not fun. So I am trying my hardest. I have almost finished the living room. Like, that'll be finished like completely by the coming weekend, and then I get to film in it and like, you know, show you guys it, which I'm really excited for because it's like my first living room I've shown on my YouTube channel, and I'm pretty happy with it. It's like, I don't know if it's gonna be what you're expecting. Like, it's so, I just love it so much. Like, it's so close to my heart now at this stage. I just love it. But I'm gonna make myself some food. So mom got me like some other new vegan stuff. Vegan fish fingers. I'm just gonna like put like, you know, like a couple of each of these into the oven and like have them because I'm just really excited for them. I got like Linda McCartney's vegetarian sausage rolls. These are actually vegan as well. And these are amazing. Like, literally guys, if you ever want to have like a good sausage roll, vegan or not vegan, have these ones. They're so tasty. And my friends aren't vegan and they think they're delicious as well. So, and also I have these sweet potato burgers, so I'm gonna have one of these as well. So we're gonna have one of these, 2 of these, and like 3 of these. Just because, you know, I'm gonna have them for snacking on whilst I'm finishing editing a video. Hey guys, and good morning. So I have an exciting day today. I had a really busy day. Okay, probably not the best idea to go boiling the kettle when I'm trying to talk. But I had a really busy day, well, unintentionally busy day yesterday. One second, I told it like I got a full video like edited and uploaded and thumbnail done and everything, which is going up on Saturday. So like, I'm so ahead of myself. And today I'm going to my client's house because I have finished, I have to get the art put up on the walls, and then we're just waiting for a few more things to arrive in the post, like some flowers and like, you know, some accessories and stuff. But once they come, then they'll be here by the weekend. I can start filming the like reveal of it, and I'm just so excited. I'm just like, I just cannot wait. Like, I just feel, I don't know, very like excited at the minute and happy, which is so good because like earlier this month with the whole situation with my car and everything, I just wasn't really feeling like all there. Like, I was very down and everything, but like now I just feel like, you know, weight has been lifted. I feel like there's so much more possibilities coming. I have literally like a billion ideas of like, you know, projects and videos in my head at the minute, but I can't afford to do them all, so we're just going to have to pick and choose what we, you know, can do. And I have a really cool idea for a Christmas video, but like, you know, I don't know if it would be possible because it'll be awful last minute to ask these people to be in it, but you know, we'll see where it goes. If not, I'll do another version of it that I have in my head with people I know that I can get in it, and we'll save that one till next year, till next Christmas, you know, because it's good to have a few projects in the pipeline for, again, you know, when you're, next year, you know, next year. So I'm just making myself a coffee at the minute because it's morning and I've only had one today, and I would like another one before I go. My favorite coffee to have at home is the Nescafe Zero one. It's just the nicest Yeah, I don't really use a coffee machine. I used to, but like I just don't know. The novelty of it wore off very fast. Like, this is just so much more convenient and easier, I think. Yeah, it's just easier.
Guys, we are in Castlebar at the moment. I'd like to introduce you to James. He's our interior designer here. So we're just going to take you through some Christmas dining, okay?
Okay guys, so what you want to start off with is your table runner. We have this really lovely one here at Easy Living. It's like a white and a silver one. It's gorgeous. When the light hits it, it's amazing. So what you want to do then is you want to get your little placemat. You know, so I have this one. It's like kind of like a more of a contrasting kind of shade to the table runner, just like, you know, a bit more, you know, bold. And then you just choose your plate. So you can go, I have like white here. I also have a grey one over here. But I think the white would be a nicer kind of, you know, balance with the one underneath and the placemat here. And then, you know, you can go free for all. Then you can go a grey plate, which looks nice as well, just to kind of like, you know, keep that kind of pattern going. And then a white plate on top. And then one thing I like that's actually really fun is adding a little sparkle to your table. So I only put these like, you know, like maybe like just underneath, beside it. And then you have two different options here when it comes to napkins. We have a more kind of linen kind of fabric, which is gorgeous. So you can put it on top of your bowl, which I think looks best, or you can put it to the side if you want. But if you were to put it to the side, I wouldn't put maybe like something like this in. I put it like just on its own, just so it's like, you know, balanced. Put that back there. Okay guys, so now we're going to show you how you can make a wreath into a beautiful table centerpiece for your home. Okay, so what I like to do is when you're using it for a centerpiece, you know, you don't want it to be just the table underneath. So like I like to add like, you know, a placemat. You know, it's not just a placemat either. So you can go with the red. I want to keep it more traditional, so I'm going to go with some gold elements. So you can kind of go with like the gold. Or you can kind of make it a bit darker. It's kind of like it's like sparkly, isn't it? I think it'd be nice, like, you know, catch your eye underneath the wreath. So I'm just gonna put this one underneath here. And as well, like, it's completely customizable to your own taste. You can also put this guy underneath there instead if you prefer that look, which looks amazing as well. Okay guys, to create a more traditional centerpiece, I like to add candles. It's glow candles. And you just pop them into the center here, and I prefer to go with like 3 candles because it's just a more balanced number, and the sizes can depend on your own preference as well. You can have like a taller one here, a medium size and a smaller one, or you can have them all the same size as well, or, you know, you can get like some nice fancy candle and put it in there. It's all your own preference. For the next centerpiece, we've added this champagne gold Christmas tree. Now, isn't this not just so glamorous? Now, to tie this in with the whole like theme of the wreath, I'm going to add in one of these champagne gold sprays. These are gorgeous. Now, these are my favorite things. So I'm just going to wrap this around just to kind of tie the colors together and make it all, you know, one. Okay, so we're here, we're done, we have our full wreath set up, our beautiful square piece. So what I decided to do is I decided to carry it throughout the whole table with the continued like red and gold theme, added some candles and some more of these trees. And these trees actually come in 2 separate heights, which is amazing. It kind of gives you that eye line, which is really interesting. We added some gold baubles and some more candles, and again, this is all completely customized to your own taste. You can take the gold out if you don't like the gold and add in a different colour. It's all dependent on you.
And we can't forget our leading lady, Oprah Winfrey. We just place her in there, and voila! That is our Christmas dining setup.
I don't know about you, but I'd like to dine here. Hey guys, and good morning. So, busy day today. I'm on my way to Westport now, filming a design talk with Ruth, and then I'm going to, and then I have to meet a lady. Oh my god, okay, this is not gonna work. I'm not gonna be able to drive and do this, so let me just quickly say it now. So I have to meet this lady today because I might be doing her window for Christmas, which I'm really excited about, because I love Christmas decorating, and I think it's exciting because it could lead to the possibility of doing it like each season, which would be amazing. So I'm meeting her after I filmed the design talk with Ruth, and it's like 9:15 now, and I need to be there for 10, and I need to get coffees as well, so you know, busy day. And then I'm going to town, and if I get this window dressing, to buy like decorations and stuff and get started on it, because it would need to be done by like next weekend. So crazy. And then tomorrow I'm filming the reveal of the living room, which is really exciting, and yeah, or either Sunday or Monday, it depends. So yeah, I'll talk to you in a bit. Hey guys, okay, so I'm back from town now, and oh my god, I had the most busy day ever. I'm so tired. I don't know if you can tell by the look of me, but I'm tired. So I went to Tesco, and like this light is not gonna work. I'm sorry. Maybe it's that. I mean, it's darker, but like I just feel like I'm not being lit properly. But like it's. Oh wait, hold on. That might be somewhat better. But I went to Tesco, and guys, look what they have. The vegan galaxies. I have been waiting for these for so long. Like literally, like I went on Monday, they didn't have them. I was like, okay, whatever. Went on Tuesday, didn't have them. Went on Wednesday, they didn't have them. They had them today, and they're also like the hazelnut one and the orange one. So I stuck with the caramel sea salt. It's still nice, but like I think I would have preferred the hazelnut one. I just closed the blind behind me because that was like really creeping me out. Also got some Kyo's crisps. Crinkle cut. These are vegan if you didn't know, and they're delicious, so I got some of them. I got some vegan ice cream. This is peanut butter and cookies, non-dairy. Excited to try this one because, oh damn it. Okay, well, this is my favorite one, but like, you know, it will do. I got some falafels. I love these falafels. I talk about them non-stop. They're just gorgeous. I also got some Italian sun-dried and lentil ragu. This is so delicious. I actually only got this because a girl I work with had it one day and it tasted delicious. So I got this, and I'm thinking I might do this with some falafels, and it's like literally all you have to do is put it in the microwave. And that is it. Like in the packet. Yeah, in the packet. So easy. And then I also got some kale and quinoa burgers because you know I like these as well. These are nice just to have in the freezer. You know, if I want to take them out, have a quick snack. These are great to have. And yeah, that is all I got. I was going to go in and buy like loads and do like a full vegan food haul, but like I just felt like I was buying things for the sake of buying things for a video. I just didn't want to buy stuff just for that. So I was like, you know what? I like vlogging at the minute. And I'm sorry I didn't vlog today. I was like, you know, just like, you know, I don't oh my god, that was so scary. I'm just like, I don't know if you can see my face, like I'm red. I'm a mess. If you can't already tell, like literally just running around. I'm so excited though because I did get hired to do a window and in Westport, and I'm really excited about it. So I have a really cool vision. I just can't wait to start buying things, and like, you know, because next weekend I'm installing everything. Rude, Bella. Next weekend I'm installing everything into the window. Really excited about it. So I might vlog it. Who knows? It depends, because you know, and I'm going out as well for like a couple of drinks. I'm literally only going for a couple of drinks though, because you know I still have to work tomorrow. Like not like for someone else, for myself, but like it's still like, you know, work. Even though I enjoy doing it, it's still work and it still has to be done. And then on Monday, crazy day Monday, so get ready. I don't know like if I'll put this vlog up or not this week. See, I have a thing, okay, so I'm filming the reveal of the living room, okay? You know, actually I'll talk about this later when I'm getting ready. Okay guys, good morning. So I'm just gonna take my dog to the beach today. Like, just looking at my face is disgusting, I know, but like, I just want to show you how excited she gets when she knows she's going to the beach. I'll show you now. Where are you going today, Bella? Going to the beach? Yeah. She knows exactly what's up. Now wait. Because I need to like put the blanket. Bella! Okay, so I just finished our walk now. How'd you find it, Bella? She's lying down, and yeah, I'm exhausted now. So I'm gonna go home. I'm going to have to clean Mom's apartment, so I can't focus as voices in my ear. And yeah, see what else I can get done today. I'm gonna take it easy today though, because let's get here. Hey guys, and good morning. And I don't know if you can tell from the amount of stuff that's behind me, but I'm on my way to Westport today to do my window dressing. I'm really excited, so I have to go to Castlebar first because I need to get some baubles for the tree. Well, there's 7 trees, so and then I'm gonna head straight to Westport and set it up. And I'm excited, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me today and maybe do like a time lapse of me doing the window, who knows. But I'll see you guys in a bit.